A new DIY replacement utility sink and faucet. Let's check it out. Welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I've installed a new replacement utility sink and faucet in the basement. The old sink was pretty worn and the faucet was barely working. Now, I probably could have cleaned up the sink, but I decided to install a new one because the old sink was permanently glued in. Each time I wanted to remove the current sink, I would have to unhook it from my 404 utility pump. With the new install, I went ahead and added a new sink slip tailpiece along with a 1.5 inch trap adapter. The sink can easily be removed without having to unhook it from the 404 pump. I was able to save a little bit of time and money by bringing over all the existing drain connections. Two new 1/4 inch PEX 1/2 to 3/8 compression angle stop valves were also installed. It's really nice to have 90-degree angle for unhooking the faucets, as the older shut-off valves were harder to disconnect as they were always facing down. The new faucet I installed is a low-cost gum-in pull-down model available on Amazon for around $40. I'm very satisfied with the quality and features of this faucet. It certainly rivals the higher-cost faucets available on the market. The new utility sink is a musty Utilitub laundry floor mount model. It's 25 by 23 inches. Again, this is available for about $50 on Amazon. So for around $100, I was able to install this new utility sink, faucet, and fittings. This is certainly a nice upgrade, much needed for a utility room for use in the basement. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, and have a great day.